Okay, so this is the review about this Context Medical Center's oximeter. So this will tell you about the pressure, about the your oxygen intake in your pulse. So it's basically you have to put your finger there and it will tell you about the pulse. Okay, so now it has auto power on, power off, and you can see it also has a low battery indicator, as well as that this is a quality guaranteed. So this was actually packed in Amazon wrap. Okay, so it's a plastic wrap. Inside that there was a box which was like severely pressed. I guess it's because of the delivery and stuff. So really not happy with the delivery. So this box is not pressed in any way. So this is kind of safe, and I hope there is no damage in this. So this came in this box like this. Inside this, it was right there. So this is the actual fingertip oximeter. So basically, like it will detect your pulse when you put your finger inside. So this is the location of the finger. The surprising fact is that they have not given any battery with this. It is costing 2,800, but there's not even a dual AAA battery. So that's what it needs, a dual AAA battery, and it's not there inside this. But this is basically it has this particular tag, which you can tag it with this oximeter when you're taking it along, so that you can put it on your hand for safekeeping. And then you have the quality certificate here, and then the manual of how to use it. And this proximeter, I've added this two Amazon AAA batteries. One should be positive, should be pointing this side, and positive should be pointing this side. So you can see the configuration of how it is configured, and it's really not up to a good quality, I would say. It's just a very shabby plastic quality, which I can feel. But for the price, I guess this is the best you can get. So you can just keep your fingers inside and you can scan for it. So I'm just gonna try. So let's see if it detects it. Okay, finger oximeter. So I'm just taking a scan of this. So just taking up. So you can see the oxygen level in my pulse. It can read the the heartbeat as well, and you can clearly see that. Okay, so when I'm using this, I can feel the pulse in my hand, and even if I try to shake it, it's still got the pulse going on. So really doesn't matter. It's like basically shake proof. So I guess it's not a bad product. You can really understand what is going on. So you can see the level of battery, you can see the oxygen level and the per beat, and you can see the graph also, how the graph is going on. Depends on my beat of my heart. So that's for the review of this particular product. So thanks for watching this video, and it's supposed to be turning off by itself. So we just have to wait for like a quick minute. So this should turn off. Yeah, there you go. So it has auto off as well. So this is a good purchase for the amount, which is 2,800 rupees. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to this video, to the channel, and like this video if you like it. One thing I want to quickly update is that this has no seal on the cover, so it doesn't look like it's a new product to me. So I just noticed it after doing this review. I just noticed that this doesn't look like a new product to me, because if you see, there are scratches on the body. So you can see clearly on the glasses, you can see some scratches. Do you see that? I just took it outside, and the quality is pathetic for the 2,800 rupees you got, because there's so much scratches on the glass. You can see the breakage of the glass here. You can see that, right? So that's basically is pathetic, but I'm just thinking of exchanging it with Amazon, because it's a very bad one, as in like it was used before. It's a used product, so I'm just thinking of exchanging it for another one. Thanks so much for listening to this update.